Namaste. Myself Nalini, studying B Pharmacy third year in Vignan Institute of Pharmaceutical Technology. I am going to perform yoga asanas on the occasion of International Yoga Day under NSS activity celebrated on June 21st. The word yoga derived from Sanskrit word yug, which means to unite. It embodies unity between mind and body, thoughts and action. It is harmony between man and nature and a holistic approach towards health. Health means physically, mentally, socially well-being. International Yoga Day celebrated for global health, harmony and peace. Role of yoga in NSS activity is to spread awareness and adopt yoga into one's own lifestyle. Meditation. Concentrating, breathe in and breathe out. Concentrating the inhalation and exhalation process. Meditation helps us to calm down and relieve stress. It improves our concentration and also prevent from several diseases. Yoga practice starts with Om chanting and little warm up. Now warm up for neck. Rotating head anti-clockwise and clockwise. Rub your chin towards shoulders. Warm up for shoulders. Warm up for hands, which reduce arm fat. Warm up for legs and thighs. Reduces thigh fat. Surya Namaskara. Surya Namaskara, it is a series of 12 powerful yogasanas. Besides being cardiovascular workout, it also have immensely positive effect on body and brain. It is practiced to express gratitude to the sun for sustaining life on the planet. Repeating the Surya Namaskara 12 times can prevent severe diseases like diabetes, hypertension, thyroid problems. Tadasana brings stability in the body, corrects faulty postures. Tadasana helps to increase height. Vrukshasana. Vrukshasana improves neuromuscular coordination and brings balance and alertness. It tones muscles and regenerate ligaments. Trikonasana strengthen thigh and waist muscle, makes the spine flexible and improves lung capacity. Sitting asanas. Bhadrasana. Bhadrasana reduces knee pain and relieves menstrual problems. Vajrasana strengthen thigh and keep spine erect. Vajrasana also good for digestion. It is also called as meditation posture. Uttana Mandokasana helps in cervical and back pain, increase lung capacity and diaphragm movement. Vakrasana helps in increasing flexibility of the spine and also helps to overcome constipation and dyspepsia. Vakrasana stimulates pancreas and manage diabetes. Front postures on the stomach. Makrasana prevents stress-induced diseases. Relax. Salabhasana stimulate stomach, bladder and strengthen spine. Relax. Bhujangasana strengthen arms, back, legs. Relax. Bhujangasana advanced improves lung capacity. Dhanurasana increase flexibility, relieve back and neck pains. Relax in Makarasana. Spine postures. Relax on Savasana for 10 seconds. Sarvangasana. Strengthen lower back, neck muscles, relieves constipation and blood supply to lower back. Halasana. Increase flexibility. Relax in Savasana. Uttanapada Hastasana. Strengthen thigh and abdomen. Ardha Halasana relieves dyspepsia, diabetes, constipation, piles, hypertension and throat problems. Pavana Muktasana relieves constipation, flatulence, bloating and massages internal organs. Setu Bandhasana bridge pose relieves depression and anxiety, strengthen lower back and abdomen, improves digestion and relieves constipation. Relax in Savasana. Chakrasana completely stretch spine and increase blood flow to lower back organs and prevent kidney problems. Relax in Savasana. Pranayamas. Anulom Vilom. Inhale, exhale respectively through each nostril. Inhale, exhale right. Inhale right, exhale left. Inhale left, exhale right. During inhalation, Anulom Vilom increases oxygen supply to the body, while exhalation breathe out carbon dioxide along with tension. Anulom or Vilom energizes and relax each and every cell. Pranayama increases our lifespan, strengthen our immunity, and relax our brain. Kapalabhati, rapid exhalations followed by inhalation. Pranayamas boost our immunity against several viral and bacterial infections. Now we are in a pandemic situation due to COVID-19. Performing pranayamas daily for 10 minutes to fight against COVID-19. Bhramri, the hummingbird breath. Keeping little finger, ring finger, middle finger on the eyes and index finger on the eyebrow, thumb finger near ear, and sound like a hummingbird with Om chanting with exhalations. Surya Vedana. In Surya Vedana, we inhale 3 times and hold our breath for 5 counts and exhale 6 times. Inhale 1, 2, 3. Hold for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counts. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale 1, inhale 2, inhale 3. Hold for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Performing Surya Vedana for 21 times daily increases our respiratory capacity. Thank you.